How was your day? How was your day? What did you learn in school today? What did you learn in school today? Do you like your teacher? Do you like your teacher? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? Did you play with your friends? Did you play with your friends? What's your favorite game? What's your favorite game? Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? Can you show me your favorite toy? Can you show me your favorite toy? What's its name? What's its name? Do you like drawing? Do you like drawing? Can I see your picture? Can I see your picture? You are so good at coloring. You are so good at coloring. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Do you like playing outside? Do you like playing outside? What's your favorite thing to do outside? What's your favorite thing to do outside? Are you feeling happy today? Are you feeling happy today? What's make you happy? What's make you happy? Do you like singing songs? Do you like singing songs? Can you sing me a song? Can you sing me a song? You have a beautiful voice. You have a beautiful voice. Do you like dancing? Do you like dancing? Can you show me your favorite dance move? Can you show me your favorite dance move? You are such a good dancer. You are such a good dancer. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? Do you like pets? Do you like pets? Can you tell me about your favorite animal? Can you tell me about your favorite animal? What's your favorite thing to do with your family? What's your favorite thing to do with your family? Do you like going on adventures? Do you like going on adventures? What's your favorite thing to do on an adventure? What's your favorite thing to do on an adventure?